The year might have just started, but one of the biggest smartphone release of the 2023 is right around the corner. We are of course talking about the S23 series that is expected to be debuted next year. But before that happens, we can expect to see more leaks and rumors leading up to the launch. Well, two new leaks has been appeared today for the S23 series, and one is regarding the leaked Galaxy S23 high-res images which reveal design and color options, while the other one is regarding the S23 Ultra selfie camera. Now, first we are going to be talking about the S23 high-resolution images, which pretty much give us an idea what the design of the S23 series could be looking alike. Basically, this new leak has been coming from leaker SamSafTech and the Korean media, which give us a detail that the upcoming S23 and S23 Plus both have the identical design. Like we have the same camera rings on the back of the S23 and S23 Plus, whereas there are some new color options available for both of these devices. Honestly, these colors are going to be looking great. Both the cream and the pink color are looking awesome, and also we have the green and the black color options. Now, to be honest, if you look at the Galaxy A04 that has been recently launched by Samsung, which is pretty much looking similar to the S23 and S23 Plus, which gives me an idea that Samsung this year lineup will be having an individual camera sensor on the back side. Now, to be honest, I think that Samsung should have make a difference between its mid-range and the flagship series devices to be different so that people can recognize their devices. Now, moving towards the S23 Ultra, here we have the same design just like the last year S22 Ultra, but this year we are going to be seeing some new color options. Like we have the green, pink and the cream colors, and honestly the green and the pink color options are looking amazing. Even the cream color is going to be looking great, but my favorite color will be the green color option. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below which color option will be your choice. Now, moving forward toward the other leak that has been coming from Leakster Ahmed, which give us a detail about the upcoming selfie camera. Nevertheless, according to the new information, the front-facing camera of the S23 Ultra will actually be superior to the one found on the S22 Ultra. Despite having a low megapixel count, the tipster revealed that the 12 megapixel front camera of the S23 Ultra will feature a Pro mode and a dual pixel technology. Additionally, the new sensor will be introducing improvement in low light performance and night photography. In short, the leak claims that the overall camera quality will be higher despite the loss of the megapixel. It should be noted that megapixels are not everything when it comes to camera performance, so this sounds like a rational decision on Samsung part. And we do hope that there could be a 4K video recording as well for the selfie camera. Now, as far as the other specification of the S23 series is concerned, it's going to be packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is going to be more power efficient, and it's going to be even 40 to 45% better in CPU and GPU department, and even the AI performance is going to be great this year. Ahmed also mentioned in his previous tweets that we are actually going to see some improvement in the 200 megapixel camera sensor because it's also packing an optical image stabilization, and even the AI stabilization is coming for the camera sensor. So definitely Samsung is working on their cameras to be much more improved. Now, another thing that is going to be pretty noticeable and good about Samsung, that this year the S23 series will be coming with a base storage of 256GB for every variant. So definitely it's a win for the consumers. And guys, I'm super excited about the S23 series launch. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.